Okay. Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so welcome back to my channel. So now today or in this video, I wanna I wanna give you some tutorial that is how to make radio app or radio Islamic app in Pagula. So before that, we can yes, I wanna tell you about what is radio app in Pagula. Radio app is application, Android application for you hear some information, or if the radio app Islamic, you can hear Islamic information from the radio. Okay, so how to make that? Okay, so don't make too long. We can go to the tutorial. Okay, like usually in the first step in Cordular, we always open that is home of Cordular like that. So again, create new project. But how to make create new project? You can yes, around your cursor in here, create project. You click, and after that, you can give the project of your name of the project name like that. So because now I wanna make a radio app, we give the name is uh, Islamic Radio app like that. Okay, if you have give the name, we can next. Okay, so in the next tab, okay, in here there is app name. Okay, for the app name, you can give the app name is Islamic Video app like that, but you give the underscore become space like that. Okay, next is for the theme. The theme just uh, standard Codular that is default. And then for package name, you can give that is home, titik Islamic, titik radio, titik app, titik ARK. Okay. Okay, for the class or the behind, you can give your name. Okay, my name is Arka, so I will give Arka like that. Okay, so the next is primary color. In the primary color, you can just standard modular, get the tone same, primary color drop, and accent color same like that. Okay, if you have like this all, you can click finish. Okay, so we wait for the frame or the screen one again color. Okay, so after that, we can change for the title of the screen. We can change that is screen opening, opening second, opening screen or screen opening. Okay, so after that, again, change the like horizontal become center. Why? Because if we not change become center, or we still left later the objects or the yes, the objects in here in the frame of Condular, in the frame of screen opening is become it's to left, yes, to left, and cannot go to center. So how to give the center? Yeah, just change the like horizontal to center like that. Okay, for vertical, for elite vertical, you can change it to in the center. It is the center because later if say double center like this, later the objects can in middle like that, in yes, in middle. Okay, so we setting again the show option menu. We just uncentang and show status bar, we uncentang too like that. Okay, so later the screen is like this. Yes, like that. So for the next we can add. The name is Lottie. Okay, so what is Lottie? Lottie is just for loading or animation screen. Yes, animation opening screen like that. So if you haven't have animation from Lottie, you can search by yourself. That is Lottie dot com like that. Okay, so in Lottie files, you can search many animation like loading animation or other. Okay, so in here we want to search that is loading animation. So you can search just loading, then you enter, and then enter in Lottie files. It's so many give you animation for loading your screen like that. Okay, so in here it's good. Maybe I choose okay because I already have animation for loading, so I wanna add directly in Blur. Okay, how to add the loading screen animation? That is, you can yes, good to hear. This is for the icon of image. You can upload asset. Yes, asset. You can upload. This is my it's thing. Okay, so you can add this thing. Yeah, good. Okay, so that you can enter the loading screen from here, source from Lottie, and loading one JSON like that. Okay, so and after Lottie, we have to we need to add the name is clock like this clock. You drag and drop to the down of Lottie like that. Okay. Okay, so literally we have to make like this. Okay, like that. Okay, so for the next is we can add screen. The screen is the name is screen radio app like that. We create the screen. Okay, so later the screen will be created like this. Okay, for the setting, for this screen is just center. The horizontal horizontal is center, but the vertical is top. Okay, after that you can add okay is maybe the title you can change to Islamic radio app like that. Okay, so after that so here we can add uh the uh the asset first uh because we can make the easier for the tutorial. Okay, so here can yes, so we can add the what is it? I mean like asset. Yes. So wanna search background. Okay, the first is background. After that pause. After that play play. Then wait pause play. Okay, and then next is stop. And then uh faster. Okay, so after add the asset that is background, pause, play, stop, and poster, we can go to the tutorial of drag and drop, maybe like button or something else like that. Okay, the first we can add. Okay, so we do that for the setting on of the screen. Okay, so in here we can add. We can show menu and like this. Okay, so rather we like that. Okay, we like this. Then for the first we add the name is space. We need space. Okay, for the space 5%, and after 5% we we give that the name is image. So image we enter the poster. Yes sir, poster. After that the poster is two 215. Yes, 215. Okay, like this. Okay, so we forget about the background. Okay, the background we can add the background PNG. Okay, like this. So if you like this, you can it's YouTube. It's correct for the radio app. Okay, so after that we can give again that is the name is uh I mean space. Yes, space like this. So after that the space is 28%. This is I'm sorry. Okay, like this. But that you can add the name is horizontal arrangement like this. Then first for the setting of horizontal arrangement, the center fill pattern, okay, like that. Okay, so the first is can add the name is pattern. Okay, for the first pattern, we can add the image that is. Okay, so I mean like play. Okay, for the text of the pattern we remove like this, and then for button it's 80 okay, I mean XPX not percent like this. That we can change the ID that is btn play, so that we can add space space yeah space in the. Okay, for the space is 3% for the width, 3%. Okay, so can add again that is button. Okay, so the button can change the image that is uh, stop button. Okay, after that we can add again. We change the ID first for the button. To change about btn stop, btn stop. PTN. I mean, yes, PTN. Yes, then stop, and then we add again for the button. Okay, here is PTN pause. So that we change the image is pause. Okay, like that. So after all of that, like this, can add the name is player, media player, and after that you can add notifier. Yes, notifier, notifier, notifier. Okay, okay. So if all of you have like this, you can go to code that is blocked. We want to code. Okay. So before that, we go to screen one, and then the name is when. We add when clock timer, clock one timer, set clock timer enabled. It's true. Then timer enabled. It's false. Then open another screen screen radio like this. Okay, so this is for just for code in screen what or in opening screen. Okay, so the next is in radio screen, radio app screen. Okay, how to for the code? That is just uh, when screen one back press, when screen one screen one. I mean when screen radio app back pressed, when it call player stop, player stop. Then then close application. That's for the first code. Then next code is when screen screen radio app initialize uh, do do set btn 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 play then play visible. Wait, we search for visible. This visible, then true. After that when btn pause click call player call call player pause and call notifier show alert call player one and call notifier. Yeah, wait. Virtual alert. And that radio is publishing like that. Okay, this is for the third code. Okay, so we have two code again. That is when btn play click set player set player one search search. Okay, for the link can search by yourself. It's up to you. Okay, after that duplicate and then call player one start call player one start. That um, call notifier show alert is and radio is playing. Okay, so after that, give the BTN stop and BTN play visible. Okay, like this. Okay, after that is uh, when BTN stop click, BTN stop click, when BTN stop click, we give that uh, just give call player one, call player one, player one stop, then call notifier one, radio is stop, then button is BTN playthrough, BTN stop, false, BTN playthrough, BTN stop, false. Okay, so this is for the code. Okay, so this is for the result of radio app, radio Islamic app. Okay, so maybe that's all from me, guys. Thank you for see my video, and don't forget see my next video, and don't forget like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. I hope you can follow my project, and don't forget. And as I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.